Welcome to this instructional video on how to conduct an Nvivo style thematic analysis using ChatGPT. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to go from uploading your data, coding, themes, thematic maps and full reporting, exactly mirroring an Nvivo professional qualitative workflow, but taking minutes instead of days. Here's the workflow we'll follow: uploading dataset, coding, theme development, matrix queries, thematic maps, and finally reporting. This video demonstrates each step and provides the exact prompts you'll need to reproduce the process. It's a good idea to set out the details of your task and objectives from the outset. Use the prompt, "I am conducting a qualitative thematic analysis using Nvivo style methods. I have a data set of interview responses that I will upload as a .docs file. Once uploaded, I would like you to read and confirm the dataset. Conduct a familiarization summary. Generate initial Nvivo style codes. Build a hierarchical node tree. Code the dataset. Develop final themes. Produce coding matrices, thematic maps and coded extracts, and write the findings and methods sections. Please tell me when you are ready for me to upload the file." However, it's unlikely that your AI assistant will simply carry out all the instructions without coming back to you for more prompts. ChatGPT prefers to break down its work into manageable chunks, so we will assume a new prompt is needed for each step. Once the interviews are transcribed, prepare them in a Word document and upload it to ChatGPT. In my test, my data file was organized into sections with one question per section and all participants' responses to that question included in that section. ChatGPT can then read the file and use it directly for coding. Once your file is uploaded, use the prompt, "Confirm the dataset is uploaded and readable." Now we begin phase 1 of thematic analysis. Ask ChatGPT to summarize key patterns in the dataset using the prompt, "Please perform Nvivo Step 1 Familiarization. Provide a structured summary of the dataset." This is what the ChatGPT output should look like from the familiarization step. We now generate Nvivo style initial codes with definitions and criteria. Use the prompt, "Please create 30 to 40 Nvivo style initial codes with definitions, inclusion and exclusion criteria, and examples." And this is how the ChatGPT output should look. After generating codes, we ask ChatGPT to produce a hierarchical code tree, parent nodes and subnodes. Use the prompt, "Please create an Nvivo style hierarchical node tree from these codes." And this is what you should get as an output. Next, ChatGPT applies all codes to the dataset, just like Nvivo autocoding. Use the prompt, "Please code the entire dataset into these nodes using Nvivo style coding logic." And here's how it'll look in ChatGPT. Now we collapse the coded material into major analytic themes. Use the prompt, "Please generate 5 to 7 final themes with definitions, supporting codes and interpretation." If you want more or fewer themes, then just change the wording of the prompt accordingly. And the output should look like this. We now create matrix queries to show how themes appear across interview questions. Use the prompt, "Please create a coding matrix showing the relationship between themes and questions." And here's the matrix ChatGPT will create for you. We now generate a visual thematic map in Nvivo ASCII outline style. Use "Produce an Nvivo style thematic map using an ASCII hierarchy." And here is the thematic map produced by ChatGPT, closely mirroring the one that you would get with Nvivo. To support each theme with evidence, request coded extracts. Use the prompt, "Provide representative coded extracts for each theme and subtheme, similar to an Nvivo coding summary report." And this is what your coded extracts will look like. This step is optional and is for those who want to get some ideas of what should be included in their findings chapter. Ask ChatGPT to convert themes into a full qualitative results section. Use the prompt, "Please write a full qualitative results chapter synthesizing these themes." Of course, anyone submitting their research work to their university or to a journal should read carefully the policy on the use of AI. In all cases, we would strongly advise against the submitting of AI text as your own work. This is how the findings chapter will look. Use it as a guideline and resist the temptation to copy and paste it into your document. This step is also optional and is for those who want to get some ideas of what should be included in their methods chapter. Use the prompt, "Write a Brown and Clark-based methods chapter." Once again, anyone submitting their research work to the university or to a journal should read carefully the policy on the use of AI. In all cases, we'd strongly advise against the submitting of AI text as your own work. This is how the output will look for that prompt. Okay, it's time to gather your outputs and download them. ChatGPT can export everything into Word, PDF or PowerPoint. Use the prompt, "Please compile all outputs into a docx file and provide a download link." Change the file type to suit your needs. ChatGPT will give you a download link and detail what is included in the bundle. Congratulations! You've completed the full process: data uploading, coding, theme development, visualization, matrices, findings, methods, and reporting. All using ChatGPT as a qualitative research assistant. Hopefully, this instructional video will mean that you can complete the process yourself. However, if you still need help with your qualitative data analysis, I can assist you. I'll conduct this process on your data file and return all the outputs to you within 48 hours for a fee of just £75. Just drop me an email at glenn.stevens@academic-writing.uk. Goodbye.